Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, German for Beginners. So today I will be adding 85 more words in your German vocabulary. I have here 85 adjectives that I will be sharing with you. So let's begin.
Learn Wortschatz. Schön, beautiful. Hässlich, ugly. Klein, small. Groß, big. Tall, great. Langsam, slow. Schnell, fast. Fantastisch, fantastic. Lang, long. Kurz, short. Einfach, easy. Schwer, difficult. Dunkel, dark. Hell, bright. Schmal, narrow. Bright, wide. Nass, wet. Trocken, dry. Furchtbar, awful. Glücklich, lucky. Unglücklich, unlucky. Nervös, nervous. Bunt, colorful. Einfarbig, single colored. Good, good. Schlecht, bad. Kalt, cold. Heiß, hot. Wunderbar, wonderful. Hungrig, hungry. Satt, full. Müde, tired. Krank, sick. Gesund, healthy. Jung, young. Alt, old. Laut, loud. Leise, quiet. Früh, early. Spät, late. Ernst, serious. Lustig, funny. Mehr, more. Wenig, less. Teuer, expensive. Billig, cheap. Richtig, correct. Falsch, false. Dick, thick. Dünn, thin. Tief, deep. Hoch, high. Niedrig, low. Rau, rough. Weich, soft. Hard, hard. Lecker, tasty. Weit, far. Genug, enough. Glatt, smooth. strength, strict, fry, free, Ruhe, calm, dringend, urgent, langweilig, boring, anstrengend, stressful, praktisch, useful, verfügbar, disposable, sauber, clean, schmutzig, dirty, freundlich, friendly, spannend, exciting, fleißend, hardworking, virtual, valuable, worthless, worthless, ärgerlich, annoying, dankbar, grateful, sauer, angry, traurig, sad, mutig, brave, gründlich, thoroughly, gefährlich, dangerous, peinlich, embarrassing, eckig, edgy, salzig, salty.
And that's it! I hope that you learned something from the video that I shared today. If you have any questions, comments, and suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment anytime. And also, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!